Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x given that 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power x equals 48. So this follows when we have a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power n. This equals a raised to the power of m plus n. That is, from here, we have this as 3 raised to the power of x plus x equals 48, and then we have 3 raised to the power of 2x equals 48. Let's introduce logarithm to both sides. We have log 3 raised to the power 2x equals log 48. Then from here, let's say we have log a raised to the power b equals b log a. So we consider this rule. Then from here, we write this as 2x log 3 equals log 48. Let's divide by log 3 from here. When we divide both sides by log 3, this log 3 cancelled as we have 2x equals log 48 divided by log 3. Next, we have 2x equals log 48. We can write it as log 3 multiplied by 16 divided by log 3. And when we have log a multiplied by b, this equals log a plus log b. So let's consider this identity as well. And from here, we can write this as 2x equals log 3 plus log 16 divided by log 3. And from here, we have 2x equals, we separate this as log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 16 divided by log 3. And here 2x equals 1 plus log 16 divided by log 3. So next from here, let's try to rewrite 16 properly as 2x equals 1 plus log 2 raised to the power of 4, that is 16, divided by log 3. Then by rule of log, we have this as 2x equals 1 plus 4 log 2 divided by log 3. And finally, we can simply call this 2x equals 1 plus, suppose we have log 2 divided by log 3, this can be written as log 2 base 3. And when we divide both sides by 2 from here, we have the value of x equals 1 plus 4 log 2 base 3 divided by 2. So here is the value of x that satisfies this, as we are going to verify if this truly equals or not. So if this is what we have, as we are going to substitute the value of x into the equations, we have 3 raised to the power of 2x equals 48. Then 3 raised to the power of 2 into bracket of 1 plus 4 log 2 base 3 divided by 2. We want to check if this is equals 48. So let's try to focus on this left hand side. 2 cancel 2. Then we have 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 4 log 2 base 3. So we want to check if this is equals 48. So by rule of exponent, you can write this as 3 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 log 2 base 3. Is this equals 48? Then from here, 3 raised to the power 1, that is 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power, we can take this 4 back as log 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 4 base 3. Is this equals 48? Suppose we have a raised to the power of log b base a. This is equals b. So by considering this, we have 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. Is this equals 48? So here 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16. Is it equals 48? So 3 multiplied by 16, that is 48, equals 48. And here is the answer to this problem, as the value of x equals 1 plus 4 log 2 base 3 divided by 2 is the solutions to the given questions. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.